Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my fresh new brow lamination that I did at home. Look how fluffy they turned out. Keep watching to see how I did it. My brows usually don't fluff up easily like this, so lamination gave them that instant lift and shape. And this is how I did it step by step. The products that I use from today's video are from Beautiful Brows and Lashes. Any excess oils by using an alcohol pad. You want to make sure everything is nice and clean and free from any oils. Next, I brushed them up and used a water-based glue to hold that fluffy shape. I gently rolled the mascara wand through my brows to separate the hairs and prep them for the first solution. It's gonna look scary at first, but trust the process, it's gonna look great. We're gonna start with this first solution. This is what's gonna help manipulate your hairs. You wanna apply it right at the base of the root. Make sure not to touch the ends of your hair. You want to avoid putting it at the tip of your hair because you don't want your brows to look exactly like this. You just want the base to be able to fluff up. So I just let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I remove it with a Q-tip. And next is the second solution. The second solution is the neutralizer. This helps to lock the hairs in place and set the shape. Again, you want to avoid putting it onto the tips of the hair and just put it at the base root. We will just let that sit for about 5 to 6 minutes and let it work its magic. After that's complete, I use another Q-tip and remove the excess neutralizer. Now for this last product, this is actually a conditioner and serum, so this is going to help remove some of those excess water-based glue that we originally had, and it's also going to condition and treat the hairs. So as you can see while I'm applying this product on, your hairs can go in any direction now. I just manipulated the base so you're able to go up or you can go down or in whichever way you like. Now the reason why I didn't apply any of the solutions to the tip of the hair is because I like to brush them downward so that they hug the shape of my brows. I love how this turned out. Soft, simple, and perfectly balanced. If you want more videos on beauty and wellness routine that fit real life, make sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments what beauty steps makes you feel most confident. I'll see you in the next video.